In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drawing in Replit 2026 step by step. Let's get started by opening Replit in your web browser. Head to the Replit homepage and make sure you're in your main workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel that organizes everything in your account. This panel is where you'll find your projects, folders, and tools, so it's the first place to look when you want to jump into your work. Click on Projects. This takes you to a list of all your existing repils. From here, select the project where you want to add drawing. Choose the one that makes sense for what you're working on today, whether it's a quick prototype or a larger app. When you found it, double-click the project to open it. Give it a second to load so the editor, file tree, and toolbars appear. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top of the editor for the main menu. This is where Replit groups key features that extend what you can do beyond just writing code. Find and click Canvas. Canvas opens a dedicated drawing space right inside your project, so you can sketch ideas, annotate concepts, or create quick visuals without leaving Replit. When Canvas is open, look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of icons that make up the drawing toolbar. These controls include your basic tools and options, so you can start creating right away. To begin freehand drawing, click the paintbrush icon. This selects the brush tool, which is perfect for quick sketches, arrows, notes, and simple illustrations that support your code. Next, choose a color. The color picker lets you set the tone of your strokes. Pick something that stands out against your background so your notes are easy to read. If you prefer a specific style, look for options to adjust brush thickness or opacity in the same area. Using a thinner brush for labels and a thicker brush for outlines can keep your canvas tidy. You can now start drawing directly on the canvas with your mouse or trackpad. Use it to circle key parts of your code, map out a function flow, or storyboard a UI idea. If you need to tweak something, look for related tools like eraser or undo in the same toolbar so you can refine without starting over. Replit typically saves your work automatically, so your sketches stick with the project as you go. And that's it. You opened your project, launched Canvas, picked the brush, chose a color, and started drawing, all within Replit.